Welcome to our video on starting an LLC in the beautiful state of New Hampshire. In this video, we'll explore why starting an LLC in New Hampshire can be a smart choice for entrepreneurs and provide you with a detailed step-by-step process to get you started. So, let's dive in. Why start an LLC in New Hampshire? New Hampshire offers several advantages for entrepreneurs looking to start their own limited liability company. Here are a few reasons why you should consider forming an LLC in the Granite State. 1. Business-friendly environment. New Hampshire is known for its business-friendly climate, boasting low tax rates and minimal government regulations. This allows LLC owners to retain more of their profits and operate with flexibility. 2. No state income tax. Unlike many other states, New Hampshire does not impose a state income tax on individuals or businesses. This can lead to significant tax savings for LLC owners. 3. Strong economy. New Hampshire's robust and diverse economy provides ample opportunities for business growth. Industries such as healthcare, tourism, manufacturing, and technology thrive in the state, creating a favorable environment for entrepreneurs. 4. Limited personal liability. By forming an LLC, you can protect your personal assets from business liabilities. This means that if your company faces legal issues or debts, your personal finances are shielded from potential losses. Now that you understand the benefits of starting an LLC in New Hampshire, let's walk through the step-by-step process. Step 1. Choose a name for your LLC. Selecting a unique and memorable name for your LLC is essential. Make sure to check the availability of your desired name by searching the New Hampshire Secretary of State's online business name database. Step 2. Appoint a registered agent. New Hampshire requires all LLCs to have a registered agent. A registered agent is a person or entity responsible for receiving legal documents and important correspondence on behalf of your business. You can choose to act as your own registered agent or hire a professional service. Step 3. File articles of organization. To officially form your LLC, you must file articles of organization with the New Hampshire Secretary of State. This document includes basic information about your company, such as its name, purpose, and registered agent details. You can complete this process online or by mail. Step 4. Create an operating agreement. Although not required by the state, it's highly recommended to draft an operating agreement. This legal document outlines the ownership structure, rights, and responsibilities of the LLC members, as well as rules for decision-making and profit distribution. It helps establish clarity and minimizes potential conflicts. Step 5. Obtain necessary permits and licenses. Depending on the nature of your business, you may need to obtain specific permits or licenses to operate legally in New Hampshire. Research the requirements applicable to your industry and consult with the appropriate local, state, or federal agencies to ensure compliance. Step 6. Obtain an Employer Identification Number, EIN. An EIN is a unique 9-digit number assigned by the IRS to identify your LLC for tax purposes. You'll need an EIN if you plan to hire employees, open a business bank account, or file certain federal tax forms. You can apply for an EIN online through the IRS website. Step 7. Register for state taxes. If your LLC will have employees or you'll be selling taxable goods or services, you'll likely need to register for state taxes. Visit the New Hampshire Department of Revenue Administration's website to register for taxes such as the business profits tax or the business enterprise tax. Step 8. Comply with ongoing requirements. After forming your LLC, it's important to stay compliant with the state's ongoing requirements. This may include filing annual reports, maintaining accurate records, renewing licenses and permits, and adhering to any other obligations specific to your industry. Congratulations! You've reached the end of our step-by-step guide on starting an LLC in New Hampshire. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to establishing your business in this business-friendly state. Remember, forming an LLC provides personal liability protection, tax advantages, and opportunities for growth. New Hampshire's favorable business environment makes it an ideal choice for entrepreneurs. Best of luck with your LLC journey in New Hampshire. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. Northwest Registered Agent is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 1 minute through Northwest Registered Agent. The full review of Northwest Registered Agent is also given in the description down below. Starting an LLC? Let us show you how to do it in a right way. First thing first, the whole point of an LLC is to separate you and your business. That's what protects your finances and privacy. Start by appointing a registered agent. Your LLC official point of contact. Hiring a registered agent is a smart and affordable method to maximize privacy. Next, see if your name is available by checking your state business database. Now you are ready to file state paperwork. The average fee is around $100. Apply for a free EIN from IRS website. Having your tax ID in hand you'll make the rest steps easy. Put your LLC policy in writing with an operating agreement. Make it easy with free template like ours. Remember when we said LLC separates you and your business, that's why your LLC needs its own bank account. Your bank account does not do any good in empty. Time for each member to contribute. Be prepared for annual files and fees like state reports and taxes. Check the link in the description below. Start your LLC with Northwest Registered Agent.